How to change iPhone color back to default or normal. So if your font color looks a bit funny or out of place, then this is what you can do to change it back to normal. Now on the home screen, go into settings, and in settings we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now in here you can make some changes. For example, bold text. If the text size is bold, you can make it bold or not bold. True tone, you can turn on or turn off true tone. When you turn it on, the color will be warmer. As you can see right here, when I turn it off, it is more bluish, and when I turn it on, it is warmer with a more reddish color. Here you can go back, and then we go into accessibility. In accessibility, tap on display and text size. And here, if you have any of the options in here, turn on, for example, increase contrast, switch it off. That can change the color of your device. So turn it off, and here you got differentiate without color. So any options in here, you may want to switch it off. If you have color filters turned on, that can affect the colors on your screen. As you can see here, I've got different color that will change the color of your screen. So simply turn off color filters will allow your font color to go back to normal. Another thing is if you have different color icons, for example in here, touch and hold, then tap on edit. So tap on edit and then tap on customize. In here, if you got dark color or clear or tint color, you can see it looks a bit different. So by simply touch and hold, then tap on edit, and then tap on customize, and then tap on default, and this will allow you to bring all your icons on the screen to go back to normal color. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.